Here are 5 free WordPress redirection plugins you could find helpful. 1. For WordPress, redirection is a common and feature-rich redirection plugin. You may track 404 errors, manage 301 redirects, and keep a log of all redirected URLs with this tool. More than 2 million people have downloaded it, and it has 4.4 out of 5 ratings. 301 redirects makes it easy to generate and manage 301, 302, and 307 redirects. It has 4.7 out of 5 stars and over 200,000 active installs. Simple 301 offers a simple solution for rerouting requests to another page. The rating is 3.9 out of 5 and there are more than 200,000 active installations. Login WP enables you to specify a set of redirect rules for users and URLs. With 4.8 out of 5 stars, it has more than 100,000 active installations. 5. 404 to 301 is a simple and fantastic plugin that takes care of any 404 issues for you. It has 4.6 out of 5 stars and more than 100,000 active installs. Brought to you by WPPluginsForYou.com.